Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, quick video today to discuss place value. It's very important that we understand that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through an example of one, then I'm going to put one on the board, and at home you're going to fill this out, put in each number that's in the correct place value, and then you'll bring it to me tomorrow or the next day. Actually, if you watched it today, it would be tomorrow. If you watch it tomorrow and I said tomorrow, then it would be that day. All right, so here we have a generic place value chart that I wrote down because I'm messy. That's what it looks like. And so I can always go back and refer to that until I can get it stuck in my head. So if I have my number, and I will read this out loud because I'm awesome, 257,819 and 436 thousandths. All right, so I go to my tens place. If I look over here, my tens place is 2 places in front of the decimal. So 2 places in front of the decimal, I have the number 1. My next one, the thousandths place. Thousandths place is 1, 2, 3 places behind the decimal. So 1, 2, 3 places behind the decimal is the 6. The hundreds place. The hundreds place is 3 places in front of the decimal. And you have to make sure you're paying attention to how it ends, because there's a hundredths and there's a hundreds. The ones that end in THS are to the right of the decimal point. They're the smaller it goes, the more to the right it is, the smaller it is. It's 1/10 of the place in front of it. So my hundreds, I look, it's 3 places in front of the decimal point, so I have the number 8. Tenths place ends in THS, 1 place behind the decimal point, so I have the number 4. The ones place is directly in front of the decimal point, so I have the number 9. The thousands place doesn't end in THS, that tells me it's going to be in front of the decimal point. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, I have a 7. And in the hundredths place ends in THS, so I look behind the decimal point. It's 2 places behind the decimal point, 1, 2, so that is my 3. These are quick, easy problems. Once you get the place value chart in your head, they're really pretty easy. So what I want you to do is I'm going to erase this number here, and I'm going to put a number up on the board, and I want you to follow the same pattern. So you're just going to write down this right here, and then you're going to put this answer, and then you're going to fill in the blanks. So here's my number. So at home, or wherever it is when you're watching this, I want you to write down the number, and then write down tens place, put the correct number in. Thousandths place, put the correct number in. Hundreds place, just like I just did with the other number. And I want you to write it down on a piece of paper. I want you to put your name on it, and I want you to bring it to me so I can get credit for you practicing this. And I like to keep track of who's doing the extra stuff at home. Just makes it easier to see what kind of tutoring I need to do for y'all. So if you'll do that for me, you're awesome. So, boom, shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today.